Help me to look like a princess. Shape my eyebrows with the tweezers. Great! Now wash my face, please. Rinse it. I love the way my skin glows now. Apply a face mask. Spa's the easiest way to relieve my stress. It feels great. Apply foundation, please. Fill in my eyebrows. My skin looks perfect. Thank you. Help me to look like a princess. Choose the color of the lipstick. Apply a lip gloss. Wow, very nice. Thank you. Help me to look like a princess. Eyeshadow is the most important part of eye makeup. Let's add more colors. And mascara for a perfect finish. Stunning! You are so great! Help me to look like a princess. I love shiny crystals. Fantastic! Help me to look like a princess. Dress me up, please.